Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to your PlayStation 4. First, power on your console and head to the main dashboard. From there, locate and select the Settings icon, which looks like a toolbox. Next, scroll down and choose Account Management. Within this menu, you will find options related to your payment information. Select Payment Methods to begin adding your PayPal account. This initial step is crucial for setting up your digital wallet. Once you've selected payment methods, you'll see an option to add a PayPal account. Choose this, and your PlayStation 4 will open a web browser, redirecting you to the official PayPal login page. It's important to ensure you are on the legitimate PayPal site for security. Carefully enter your PayPal email address and your secure password. This step authenticates your account and prepares it for linking with your PlayStation profile. After successfully logging into PayPal, you will be prompted to review the permissions that PlayStation is requesting. Take a moment to read these details to understand what information is being shared. Once you are comfortable, proceed to grant authorization for the connection. PayPal will then confirm the link, and you will be redirected back to your PlayStation 4. A confirmation message should appear on your screen, indicating the successful addition of your PayPal account. With your PayPal account now linked, it will appear as a convenient payment option whenever you make a purchase on the PlayStation Store. Simply browse for your desired games, add-ons, or other digital content. When you reach the checkout screen, select PayPal from the list of available payment methods. A final confirmation step will ensure your purchase is authorized, making transactions quick and secure. Enjoy your new, flexible payment method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.